नवीन शैक्षणिक धोरणानुसार गेले 3 दिवस आपण तज्ज्ञांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली विविध गोष्टींचा उहापोह या ठिकाणी करतो आहे, नवीन गोष्टी आत्मसात करतो आहे. खूप सुंदर पद्धतीने हे सगळं चाललेलं आहे. मात्र आज एका वेगळ्याच विषयाकडे आपण आलेलो आहे. अर्थात ते गटकार्य आहे. म्हणजे आपण जे गट या ठिकाणी विषयानुसार केले आणि त्या गटकार्याचं प्रेझेंटेशन करण्याची संधी मला माझे मित्र सन्माननीय हरियान सर यांनी दिली. त्याबद्दल मी त्यांना खूप खूप धन्यवाद देऊ इच्छितो. सो नाव I would like to speak in English only. The level is pre-secondary. Pre-secondary in the sense Purva Madhyamik Star is there. Subject is English, and the objectives of that curriculum or syllabi, those first ones GG1, that is जीवनात दैनंदिन परस्पर संवादासाठी प्रभावी संभाषण कौशल्य विकसित करणे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल communication is very important. You have to communicate with your friends. In society, communication is very important, and language plays a very vital role to communicate, because without language we cannot communicate, and that is the fundamental gift which is given by the God to humans. Other animals communicate, but they don't have the language system. So that's why we have to create a communication skill among the students. He or she can betterly communicate. घटना आणि परिस्थितीचे वर्णन करून कल्पना व्यक्त करणे. So we have to develop the capacities. You have to make the student to able to imagine after seeing what is happening around of that particular student. Okay, so it's very important. Then मौखिक क्षमता वाढवणे. Then speaking abilities there, मौखिक क्षमता. Then competency, that is क्षमता विविध प्रकारचा मजकूर ऐकतो. Means that particular student is able to listen any kind of message or any kind of what is written or what is spoken. आशयातील आशय मजकुरातील मूळ संकल्पनांचे संकलन करतो. इन द सेन्स he or she is capable to understand what is the content of that particular subject, and he is able to understand what is the basic content of that particular subject or matter. C 1.2 सुसंगत संभाषण करतो, and right now he is ready to communicate. That communication is particular according to the rules and norms of the grammar. So standard 7 is here, our group, and the name of our group is Shakespeare group, and the content is here, that is two fables, the two friends and the bear is the title of that first fable. Okay, so what are the learning outcomes from that content? From that story, first of all, we have to listen. What is the learning outcome? First, listens attentively in classroom. That is his or her first learning outcome. The second one, thinks critically, compares and contrasts characters. Third one, guesses the meaning of given phrase and uses it. Thinks and analyze. That is the very important skill. If that student or that pupil is ready to think, then he should analyze. He should learn the skill how to analyze the thing. Then attempts to gauge the main thing or idea. Then the last one is there, draws a picture or make a story in his understanding. And now that is the ultimate learning outcome. That student, that pupil should understand what is the ultimate aim of that particular content. Then which questions will be raised? The first question is here. We were traveling together through the wood. That is the first question. And type of question is here. That is objective one. Okay. And grades is lots grades. And written, oral or practical. This one is an oral question. The student can answer of this question orally. And according to Benjamin Bloom's, something is changed, no, because of the after yesterday Hariyan sir cleared that Anderson changed something, and in Benjamin Bloom's there was last goal was evaluation, but now right now that creativity is the last one. So little bit changes there. The first one is that is oral remembering. Okay, so the first type of question is this remembering. Then the second question may be there. What did one of the travelers do after seeing the beard? So that is short answer that question is here, and it is also considered as a lot word, and this is a written question. The students will have to write the answer of this question shortly, so that's why it is considered as a written one. And that is in Benjamin's there, it is understanding based. So what is the understanding of the students and what the content of the meaning of the particular question is understand and what you present, that is understanding is here. Then the third question is here. Use the phrase to be good at something in your own sentence. So that is objective type question, and it is also in grade law. This is also written, and that is applying. Means what he learned, he should apply in practical sense. Okay, so then the next question is here. Why did the other traveler lie with his face in the dust? That is brief answer that question is here in types of question, and there is a hard one in a grade, and it is also considered as a written question, and that is analyzing. Students have developed the capacity of analyze. What you learn, you should know how to analyze it. Then the second last question is here. What is the moral of the story? That is also brief question here, and it is considered grade as hard. This is also written one, and that is evaluative. Means that was the last point of in Benjamin Bloom's that theory, but here is the second last, and this last one is there. Draw a picture of jungle scene. This is also considered as a brief question, and this is in grade, it is hard, and that is a practical one. Then creativity, really we have to make able the students to create something, and that is the ultimate goal of NAP 2020. And so I would like to announce the names of the participants who, in group 6 here. That is Ms. Kanika ma'am, Mr. Kanika sir, Mrs. Saravanta ma'am, Mrs. Sound ma'am, Mrs. Kangal sir, Mangar ma'am, Mr. Tapsi sir, Mr. Kamathi sir, and myself Moti NK. Thank you for giving me